Hey everyone. In this video, I'll explain why your Descript export looks different from the preview in 2026, especially on the free plan, and how to understand it quickly. Let's get started. First, the preview in Descript is just a live editing view. It's designed for smooth editing, not final rendering. But when you export, Descript fully processes the video, which can slightly change spacing, timing, or layout. Second, fonts and styling are a big reason. Some fonts or text sizes may look perfect in preview, but shift slightly in export because of rendering differences, especially with limited free plan features. Third, compression and resolution also affect the result. The preview shows high-quality, real-time playback, but the export compresses the video, which can make elements look a bit different or less sharp. Finally, small timeline shifts can happen with captions or layered elements, causing slight misalignment in the final video. To reduce this, use simple fonts, avoid tight layouts, and always do a short test export before finishing your project. And that's why Descript export looks different from preview in 2026. Thanks for watching.